For this video, we're going to look at a very simple upgrade to our game. At the moment, when we play our game, we have our player running around at a certain speed. But if we look at the code for this game, we've done something that's not really a good idea, and that is in the physics process, where we're working out the velocity of our player, we've got a hard-coded number of 600, which means our player will always go at a certain speed. It's always a good idea to use variables for these types of things. So I might make a new variable here called speed and make that equal to 600 at the moment, and then replace where I've used the 600 with the variable speed, if I can spell. If we play the game again, you'll see that technically nothing has changed. Our game works exactly as it did before. But the benefit now is we've got one place here, this variable, that we can change and effectively change our game. So playing this game again with a new value of 300, you can see the player is moving half the speed it did before. Why would this be useful? Well, we could easily create some sort of pickup or crate that allows us to increase or decrease our speed simply by changing the variable while the game is playing. Something that we couldn't do if we just had the value 600 here. And you'll see us doing that in other places as well. So for example, when we did the bullet, you can see we actually did use speed and range values as variables, although we did set these to be constants, not to be changed during gameplay, but we could easily revert that. We also saw that with the mob, where we've done the wrong thing. So again, the mob's another example where we could set the speed as a variable, and that would also make it really useful for changing the way the mobs or the bad guys played without having to change it dramatically. So simply changing values that are hard-coded into variables. Okay, so that's a good thing to do. Maybe go through your existing code and consider where you've got hard-coded values that can be turned into variables.